Hey the Bears here, and today we're at home, but we're going to be watching the haunted house POV from Alton Towers. Yeah, so we've ridden Curse, haven't we?
Yeah.
Quite a few times, haven't we? Yeah, we know Emily well.
Hey.
And we've ridden Duel quite a few times, haven't we?
Lots, yeah.
Yeah. So we thought we're going to do a bit of a different video for us and watch the POV of the haunted house.
Yeah, I'm quite excited. I've been wanting to watch this for ages.
Yeah, so it was recommended to us by a Bear Club member, so thank you. So yeah, I think you know who you are. Yeah, so we're going to watch this and hopefully see what happens in it, to be honest.
I'm quite excited.
So let's go!
Woo!
So you just said there, the trains are pretty much the same, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit scary so far, isn't it?
Okay, yeah. You know when you first go in and they've got the moving walls?
Yeah.
They had them there, didn't they?
Yeah, it still looked like they had the wonky walls on
Yeah.
as you go around the first corner, kind of, and Emily. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking very similar. I mean, the layout hasn't changed, has it? So.
I don't believe so, no.
No. Yeah. We'll carry on. Say that things like have changed there, haven't they?
Yeah, they have, haven't they?
Yeah, so it feels like we've just, if you know Curse, gone through like the banquety scene with the skeletons and things, and we're in the dark bit now.
Yeah.
Just after where I don't know what it says actually. What does it say in Curse? Find me or something. It's something like that. Anyway, it's where the big shadow comes behind Emily when you go through the door. Looks a bit scary though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Looks very scary. Fair play to anyone who did this.
Yeah.
So the tunnel's still there?
Yeah.
Oh wow, as if it's been there originally?
Yeah.
I'd heard it'd been there from the start, to be honest.
I had, but I've never
Never.
did it before.
No, we only did it as Duel first all, didn't we?
Yeah.
And then obviously Curse. But yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
It is.
I think for the new Travers tunnel.
Yeah, I do. I think it's better. It looks a bit better.
It does look a bit better, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's because it's got the clock at the end, isn't it?
Yeah,
so...
I think it adds to the spinning effect, doesn't it?
Yeah, it definitely does.
But no, it's looking good, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's very dark.
It is very dark.
Very dark. I mean, it says 93 the footage, guys, so hopefully you can see that.
It's reminding me a little bit of that freaky go that we had on Curse a couple of Sundays ago.
Oh, yeah, we'll discuss that. Yeah, we had a bit of a scary go on Curse.
Yeah.
So, essentially, not long after the first, was it the first or second corner?
Yeah.
Just after you go into the first dark bit?
Yeah, the first corner, wasn't it?
Yeah, it broke down. As Curse does sometimes, which it happens. But we were kind of just sat there in the dark.
It was pitch black.
Pitch black for quite some time.
Yeah.
And it's quite funny, we had some people behind us and we were having a laugh about it, trying to not be scared.
Yeah.
But when it eventually did get going, it kind of just, I don't know, when it restarted, it inched along, didn't it, literally?
Yeah, it was still dark, wasn't it? 'Cause not all the effects had come back on, and it was just like edging, like ever so slowly. It was so creepy. I kept thinking someone was gonna like jump out at us.
Yeah, it'd be perfect for Scarefest if they did something like that.
Yeah.
The throughput would drop dramatically, it was getting so slow.
Yeah, it was, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
but no effects were on, no lights were on, even the bits were meant to be.
Yeah, it was creepy.
And we got to where the air cannon shoots from the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't kick in and back back till then, and then it was instantly back in time, wasn't it? So the
Yeah.
air cannon was even more scary.
Yeah, it was good though,
Yeah,
wasn't
it's
it?
a really creepy one. We didn't vlog that one, obviously,
No,
but
we didn't, but...
no, that was a really good time, that was.
Yeah.
Right, shall we carry on?
Yeah.
So I think we're just heading to the graveyard scene.
Yeah.
It's quite well done for Emily's Curse, isn't it, to be
Yeah, it
honest?
was, yeah.
Duel, it hasn't changed a lot. It looks like there's a lot of features that are still the same.
Yeah, it does,
Yeah,
doesn't
it seems creepy, this one.
Yeah, it does.
There's a lot of sound effects that I have noticed that were in Duel.
Yeah.
Have you noticed
I
that?
noticed that, yeah.
A lot of the screams and the gargoyle sounds and
Yeah.
things. But yeah, it's pretty cool.
It is. Perfect family bit, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Where she says, my perfect family.
Yeah.
And yeah.
It's creepy,
It's
isn't it?
creepy, yeah.
Is that the original spider?
Giant spider.
Did they redo it then? To
Yeah.
bring it back? Was it in Duel? I can't really remember it in
I
Duel.
remember it in Duel, but the spider's different now, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's
a lot
just as
bigger.
big, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
got red eyes in that now, isn't it?
Yeah, it glows up, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And there is a little, if you go through the spider bit on Curse, just after it, to the right-hand side, I think, on the floor, it says Incy Wincy Spider, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it does.
Yeah, it's a little Easter egg there. So there's a lot of the sound effects that sound like they're from Duel as
Duel,
well,
yeah.
don't it? They must have kept them over. Fair enough. It's that screaming. Oh, is this the graveyardy bit, isn't it? Where the new effect where Emily comes up
Yeah,
from the coffin. She wakes up after the lightning strike.
she does. Isn't that a horse and carriage?
Yeah, it looks
Is
like
it
it's the same one. Yeah,
Yeah.
looks like the original one, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
That's cool.
A lot's stayed, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Over the 3 rides now.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is terrifying.
Yeah.
If you were a kid and you went on this,
Yeah.
Fair play
Quite
to you.
scary, to be fair.
this is terrifying. That was absolutely terrifying, monster.
Yeah, it was. I can't believe how similar it is though, still.
I know, yeah, a lot has stayed the same, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has.
I mean, it's updated, hasn't it?
Yeah.
A lot of things have changed as well, but like obviously with the layout being the same, it did look very familiar.
Yeah, it does. It does. It's strange, isn't it?
Yeah, and it was like effects are still in the same places as they are in Curse.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool. Like where after in the graveyard bit where the mirror and she's on the swing, like there seemed to be a big effect in there still. So seemed to know where they wanted to put things, and like actually similar with Duel actually thinking about it.
Yeah. And yeah, I just can't believe how similar it looks.
Yeah, it's really, really similar to be honest, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was nice to watch that one.
It was really cool.
but-
I wish we could have gone on it.
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't know if I did, but I don't think I was. I was, to be honest.
I
would've
never
gone
went on
on
it.
I would have cried if I went on that as a kid. I mean, I would have cried if I went on Curse as a kid now, to be honest.
I never went to Alton Towers when not that far.
No.
That long ago.
We did Duel, didn't we?
Yeah, did
Yeah.
Duel loads of times, didn't we?
Yeah, and we've done Curse, and now we've kind of ridden Haunted House.
Via a POV.
Yeah, brought you guys along with us.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Thank you again for the recommendation. You know who you are. But yeah, if you want to see more videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and yeah, check out this one over here.